So only when you stay to the end of this video that you get the value of this video. This is not the kind of video you want to skip because you are going to be getting much value from it. Now, this particular platform I'm about to introduce you to, you can actually get enough earnings for yourself, because with the process I'm going to be showing you right in this video, after watching this video, immediately after watching this video, you can start to implement. Now, before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel or you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm Joachim. So what I do right on this platform is that I show you different platforms which you can leverage and earn every single day for yourself. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload subsequent videos like what you are about to watch right now. Now, this particular platform, all you literally do right is just for you to create an account for yourself and verify your account, which I'm going to be showing you right in this video. So you need to take your time to do this. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click the first link on the pinned comment section. Now, once you click this link, it's going to bring you up to this interface. You need to set up an account for yourself. Now, after setting an account for yourself, all you have to do is to verify your identity. Now, you need to verify your identity for you to start using this particular platform to earn every single day. Now, on this platform, what you earn is called a pepper coin. Okay, so once you are able to accumulate earnings on your accounts, the coin you are going to be earning is called pepper coin. Now, when you refer one person to this platform, you get 0.50 cents. Now, when you go ahead to invite 2 people into this platform, you'll be given $1. Imagine inviting 4 people to this platform, you're already making $2 for yourself. So right now, you can see once you're in this interface, all you need to do is to create an account for yourself. So right here, after signing up for an account, you need to download this app. Okay, you need to download this app on your phone. So right when you come right here, you're going to be seeing download. So once you click on download, you can see that you can download this particular app on your Google Play, on your iPhone, and also on your Android device. So right here, just go over to installation guidelines, then follow the guidelines to download this app on your phone. So now, after downloading this app on your device, the next thing you want to do is to do your KYC. Okay, so right here, to do your KYC, come down to this icon right here, this human icon. So once you click on that, you're going to be seeing account management. Please take notes, you are going to be seeing account management. This is the drop down, click on it. Now you're going to be seeing account management, account activity, identity verification. Go ahead to click on identity verification. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you over to this interface. Please note that without your identification verification, you can't get earnings from this platform. So after using my link to register on your account, you still need to do your identity verification. So it is very compulsory. Right here it says, due to regulation restriction, KYC is not available for users in mainland China. So this does not actually concern you. So you can actually see the verification process right here. So what you just need to do is to verify your account using maybe your NIN or any of these means to do your verification on your account. You can see it right here, the verification criteria, basic info, ID document, and face ID. So what you just need to do right here is to see that you come down right here and click on verify now. But before that, you can see that I've completed this offer. So right here it says basic verification, which is this. So I've done this. So automatically after setting your account, you are going to be having access to this part which actually says completed. So right now what we are going to do is to come down right here and click on verify now. So once you click on verify now, you just need to follow the process to verify your account, but this is going to take a little while for you to have access to it. So you just need to pay close attention to the process of verifying your account. So right here you can see all countries except USA. So you can click on this. So then come down right here and click on continue. So once you click on continue, you just need to follow the process to verify your account, because without verifying your account, you can't have earnings on your account. So we are actually verifying our account as a Nigerian, and we are actually using our passports right here. Then we come right here to click on continue. So right here it says we should choose our passport photograph. So we are going to click on choose right here. We are going to be uploading our passport right here. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on continue. So right here I'm actually going over to my library. So right here you can actually see that I'm uploading my passport photograph right here. So this is my international passport, so I've uploaded that. So just come down right here and click on continue. So this is actually the process of you doing your KYC on your account. So right here it says allow camera access. So the next thing for me to do is to continue the verification, which I need to allow my device camera for me to do my face verification. As you can see, access, okay, verifying your ID. This may take a few minutes. Please wait while we complete this check. As you can see right here, your profile has been verified. So I just verified my profile now, so I can go ahead to start earning on this platform. As you can see, you may close this page. So right now, let me tell you how this platform works. After downloading, doing your KYC, verifying your account, this is how this platform works. So right here, all you just need to do is to complete these tasks. You can see simple spot trading, complete these tasks, and you'll be paid this 500 pepper coin. Okay, so like I earlier said, you'll be paid pepper coin on your account. So once you go ahead clicking on complete, you're going to be following this process to complete this particular task, and you're going to be paid this 500 pepper coin. Now when you go ahead to take this other one, you also need to click on complete for you to complete this particular task, and you'll be paid 500 pepper coin. Now you can see over 30,000 pepper coin for this particular task. So just go ahead to take that, and you're going to be paid for this pepper coin. So right now, to maximize your earnings on this platform, all you just need to do is to refer individuals to FameEX, and you're going to be getting much value. Okay, so each person you refer to this platform, you are going to be giving about 50 cents on your account. Now let me go ahead to show you this. Now when you come down to invite friends and you come down to this step, you can see send your invitation link, friend completes registration, and rewards. Now when you come down here, you can see the reward amount. Referral rewards amount is about 2,888 pepper coin. Now referral rewards also amount to 38,888 pepper coin. So once you are able to invite friends to your account, your pepper coin is going to be increased automatically on your account. Locate the options I actually showed you before. Come right here, you're going to be seeing this particular reward. So click on that. These are the tasks to be taken on your account. So once you complete these tasks, you can easily withdraw your funds to your account. And so like I said guys, and I'm going to be repeating it, that you earn in pepper coin on this platform. Now you can see get over 38,888 pepper coin per referrals to this particular platform, and that is equivalent to 50 cents on your account. Now when you refer one person to this platform, you'll be giving 50 cents, and another person gives you 50 cents, that's making it $1. So if you go ahead to invite 4 people to this platform, you're already making $2 on your account. So right here, you can come and copy your affiliate link, then share with your friends. So once they sign up, following the process of doing their KYC completely and verified, you are going to be getting 50 cents on your account. Now when you continue doing this to more people, so once you keep doing this, sharing your link to your friends, and they keep verifying their accounts, doing their KYC, you are going to be getting 50 cents on your account. And so the total number of referrals you have on your account also is going to determine how much you're going to be having on your account. As you can see right here, reward rules. So click on that so you can actually see the reward rules under this particular platform. You can see right here, it says thank you for supporting us. We are excited to announce that the FameEX invite friends section is now alive. You can earn great rewards by inviting friends and completing tasks. Be sure to check the event rules and get started. So these are the rules right here. You can go through it on your lecture so you get to understand the benefits you get when you refer individuals to this platform. So use the link on the pinned comment section. Make sure you do your KYC properly using any means of identification just to verify your account, and you can withdraw instantly after completing your task. And so that is all you need to know about this platform. Any subsequent updates, I'm going to update us on this particular new update. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video, and keep winning. Do not forget to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel where I won't give giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can boost your online earnings in today's world. See you on my next video, and keep winning.